Today we will do next questions of class 7 maths chapter 5 exercise 5.1 lines and angles. Next question is, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute angles? What are acute angles? Acute angles are those whose measure is less than 90 degree, right? So let any two acute angles are is equal to 80 or 70 degree. Now sum of these two acute angles, 80 plus 70 is equal to 150, that is not equal to 180 degree. So these are not supplementary angles because we know that sum of supplementary angles should be equal to 180. So we can say that any two acute angles can never be supplementary angles, right? Next is, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are obtuse angle? Now what are obtuse angles? Obtuse angles are those whose measures is greater than 90 but less than 180 degree. So let any two obtuse angles are is equal to 105 and 130. When we add these angles, we get 235, which is not equal to 180, because similarly we know that supplementary angles are those whose sum is 180. So we can say that any two obtuse angles can never be supplementary. Now next is, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are right angles? What are right angles? Right angles are equal to 90 degree. So do it yourself and answer this one in the comment box. Question is, an angle is greater than 45 degree. Is its complementary angle greater than 45 or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree? Let it do it by an example. Let any angle which is greater than 45 is equal to 50 degree. Now we know that the complementary angles are those whose sum is 90 degree. So let be another angle is equal to other angle be equal to x. Now sum of these angles should be equal to 90 degree because these angles are complementary angles. We get x is equal to 90 minus 50, that is got 40 degree, which is less than 90. We know that the angle which is less than 90, which angle is called acute angle? Which angle is called acute angle? And this angle is less than 45 degree. So we can say that if any angle is greater than 45, then its complementary angle is less than 45. So we can say that if an angle is greater than 45 degree, then its complementary angle is less than 45 degree. In the adjoining figure, water adjacent is angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent to each other. Angle AOC and AOE are adjacent to each other. Or third one is do COE and EOD form a linear pair. Before do this question, we will understand about what are adjacent angles, linear pairs or vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles are those angles which are opposite one another with a specific vertex. Here specific vertex is O and are created by two straight intersecting lines. Two intersecting lines with a specific vertex makes an opposite angles. Here angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical opposites. Similarly 2 and 4 are vertical opposite angles. These vertical opposite angles are equal to each other. Means angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Next angles are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are those that are side by side and share a common vertex and a common side. Here angle 1 and angle 2 sharing a common side this and sharing a common vertex B. So angle 1 and angle 2 are called adjacent angles. Next are linear pairs. What are linear pairs? A linear pair is a pair. A linear pair is a pair of adjacent supplementary angles. Adjacent angles means next to each other. Means angle 1 and angle 2 sharing a common side and common vertex O. Right? Supplementary means the sum of angle, both angles should be equal to 180. So linear pair means when angles are adjacent and also are supplementary, then this one called is linear pair. Angle 1 plus angle 2 should be equal to 180. Then this pair is called linear pair. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel MM Maths Classes. Thank you.